Welcome back to another video here at Peterson Restorations. For today's video, I'm going to give you a little bit of insight to powder coating. It's something that I do to a lot of pieces on these cars. Anything that I can powder coat, I will powder coat. So that's why I'm powder coating the transmission. If you've seen it in the other videos, you could see I had picked up a transmission that was supposedly rebuilt, but it was all scuzzy looking. So I sent it up to my dad's, he pulled it apart, and I'm powder coating the case of the transmission, the tail shaft housing, the main body, and the shifter linkages, pieces of that. So I have everything all taped off, sandblasted, so I got it hanging up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it. I'm spraying them to be like the colors that they should be. The center body piece is a cast iron piece, so I have cast iron powder coat, and the other pieces are aluminum, so I have aluminum powder coat. So it turns out really nice. So you'll see in the end of the video just the quality of powder coat and why I do powder coating. And also just a little teaser for some videos coming up soon on the pink car that you see behind me. You can kind of see their tires. It's on 4 wheels right now, so those videos will be coming here shortly. So thanks for watching these videos, and let's get this transmission powder coated. So here's the final result. I'll go down the line here. I just stuck the transmission partially together just so you can see what it looks like, but there's the shifter that's ready to go. All the hardware for the transmission is all painted. I have the linkages for the shifter powder coated, fork that's powder coated, and that piece there is powder coated, that cast. But here's the bell housing sitting on the rest of the transmission. And that's the reason why I powder coat stuff. Just the finish and quality of it, you just can't beat it, in my opinion. So there you go, powder coating. I got the powder coat oven and stuff just to specifically do restoration stuff. It just, like you see there, it's just, in my opinion, the cleanest form of doing that stuff, rather than doing it with shaky cans or out of a spray gun. Either way, you can't get it to be that clean, and that's in my opinion. Especially with powder coat, if you got oil or grease on that, it wipes right off of it. And I just think it lasts longer, it's harder. So yeah, powder coating, as you can see there, I got a bunch of pieces to do yet in this build, so I'll chip at it a little bit at a time, just sandblasting, powder coating until I got things ready to put on the car. So thanks for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not, and see you in the next one.